everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Erica Love Simple Cooking. So guys, today I am going to make some curry chicken and white rice with some vegetables. So don't forget to comment, subscribe and share. So right here guys, I take off all the skin off the chicken. And I'm cutting them up small, so when you're making curry chicken, you have to cut up your chicken small. Right here guys, you cut off all the fat. Chicken fat is not good for your heart. So make sure you take off the fat off your chicken. Okay guys, so now that the chicken is cut up, I'm gonna add some vinegar to take off the rawness of the chicken. So I'm gonna use this vinegar guys. Pour the vinegar. And I'm putting some white salt. So I use some white salt to wash the chicken. This guys, I miss a piece. Make sure you take out this part out of the chicken when you're cooking it. Not supposed to eat this part. Take out it. Guys, please take off the fat off your chicken when you're cooking it. Take out as much of the fat as you can. Because you know the chicken is already fatty. And then you eat the fat, it's not good for your heart. You just wash this. When you add the salt, it helps to take off the rawness of the chicken. I'm gonna soak this for a couple of minutes. If you don't want to soak it, you can just wash it like this, and that will be good also, guys. Alright guys, I'll check you back guys. I'm gonna empty out this water and add some fresh water. So guys, I'm washing the chicken one more time. Then I'm gonna put my chicken, my drainer, and just dump all the chicken in there so that I get rid of the water. Okay guys, so right here I have some dill spice in here. I'm gonna add some turmeric, some curry, because I like to add turmeric and curry together. I don't like a lot of curry. I'm gonna have some parsley that I blend out. Some Maggi. All these powder seasonings have salt guys, so I'm not adding any salt. Some paprika. Some powder season. Guys, you could use whatever powder seasoning you want. Some ginger powder. So guys, for now, I'm only using this seasoning and some garlic powder. I'm only using this seasoning until I'm ready. When the chicken is almost done, I'm gonna put some fresh seasoning. So you could use whatever season you want. Some people like a lot of curry in their chicken. I don't like a lot of curry, so that's why I don't put a lot of curry, guys. So you can put this down to soak for a while. Depends on how much season you put in there, or you can cook it right away. For me, I'm gonna cook it right away. So guys, check you back later, guys, when I finish, when I'm gonna cook this. Okay guys, I'm gonna cut up some fresh seasoning for the chicken, which is some garlic, some onion, some sweet pepper, and thyme and scallion.
Leaf under. Cut it up so after.
Yes guys, so this is some Idaho potato and carrots that we are gonna put in the chicken, guys.
You hear that? Put water in together.
Okay guys, so now I'm gonna put some coconut oil in my pot with some curry. I'm gonna burn a little bit of curry with the chicken. It's not a must, but that's Jamaican. I don't know, Jamaican does it that way. They say it will give you burn in the belly if you don't burn the curry, but I never usually do it because it's necessary. But anyway, for those Jamaicans who like to burn their curry, so there goes my carrots and potato, washed, peel, and ready to go in the pot later. So, okay guys, instead of using curry, I'm using a little bit of turmeric. I'm a fan of turmeric. Chicken already have curry and turmeric, but I just put in a little bit. And so I'm gonna add the chicken. Okay guys, so you don't have to add no water to the chicken. You just cover it and the chicken is gonna sweat its own water. If it's not cooked enough, then you can dip a little boiling water or hot water in there. Yes guys, so I'm back. Let's check on the chicken. Guys, you can see that the chicken is sweating its own water. As I said, you don't have to put water in there. Yes, you can put a little water in there, especially when it's time to put down the vegetables. But for now, you don't need to put water. Yes guys, so there you go. I put the potato in and the carrots, and I'm gonna let this cook down before I put the fresh seasoning. If you're still watching, please comment, subscribe and share. Thank you. So yes guys, this is some spinach. I'm making some spinach. I'm using sweet pepper, tomato and onion and garlic with some Maggi all-purpose season and a cup of oil. Okay guys, let's check on the meat. Okay guys, so that's the fresh seasoning. I'm just gonna turn on the stove and let this steam into the chicken, guys. So I'm gonna give this about 10 to 15 minutes to finish this. Guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe and share. Curry chicken. Okay guys, let's check on this the spinach. Guys, the spinach have a lot of water. Mercy. One pot of spinach, 1 cup of dry old tomato. Okay guys, so right here we're making some coleslaw. So what is in here already is some sugar and some mayonnaise. So there goes guys, some Maggi powder season. A little black pepper. Guys, I'm going to transfer my coleslaw into another bowl. Here, guys. coleslaw, white cabbage or green cabbage with some carrots and purple cabbage and sweet pepper, onion and cucumber with mayonnaise, black pepper, Maggi, a little bit of Maggi powder seasoning, guys, and some sugar. So there you go, guys. Okay, guys, let's check on the chicken. Oops, sorry people. So there you go, chicken is all done. Yeah. There you go. Jamaican style curry chicken, guys. If you're still watching, please comment, subscribe and share. And there you go, guys. This spinach over there. So that's all done. And there goes the white rice. That's gonna go with everything, guys. So I'll plate it and let you guys see how it looks on the plate. Okay, guys, there is the finishing touch. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, comment and share, and take care of yourself. Until next time, don't forget to put your notification bell on so that next time I upload a video you will receive it. So guys, this is a Friday evening dinner, simple curry chicken with white rice and coleslaw.